Hi everyone, I hope you are fine and welcome to Mastercam. So we have completed our module number 6, which is all about the Mastercam Simulator and Code Expert. What we have learned in this module is Introduction to Mastercam Simulator. We covered the Mastercam Simulator overview, Mastercam Verify adjustments, we did the posting, and we learned about Mastercam Code Expert. Now it's time to check your knowledge. So we have some multiple choice questions. What you have to do is you have to pick the right answer to question. So let's get started. Which of the following statements about Mastercam Simulator is true? Option A, it can only simulate milling operation. Option B, it cannot simulate turning operations. Option C, it provides a virtual environment to preview and verify machining processes. Option D, it requires an additional license separate from Mastercam. So the right answer to the question is option C. It provides a virtual environment to preview and verify machining processes. The next question is, in Mastercam Simulator, what is the purpose of backplot feature? Option A, to undo the last machining operation. Option B, to visualize the toolpath motion in reverse. Option C, to simulate tool collisions. Option D, to export simulation results as a video file. So the right answer to the question is option B, to visualize the toolpath motion in reverse. The next question is, what is the purpose of Mastercam Code Expert 2023? Option A, to design 3D models. Option B, to generate G-code for CNC machining. Option C, to simulate machining toolpaths. Option D, to recreate engineering drawings. So the right answer to the question is option B, to generate G-code for CNC machining. The next question is, which file format does Mastercam Code Expert 2023 typically output? Option A, DWG. Option B, STL. Option C, GCD. Option D, NC. So the right answer to the question is option D, NC. The NC stands for numerical control. The next question is, what is the primary purpose of Mastercam Posting 2023? Option A, to create 3D models. Option B, to generate toolpaths. Option C, to simulate machining operations. Option D, to output CNC machine code. So the right answer to the question is option D, to output CNC machine code. The next question is, what role does Mastercam Posting 2023 play in the CNC machining workflow? Option A, designing 3D models x-axis. Option B, generating toolpaths. Option C, setting up machine parameters. Option D, converting toolpaths to machine instructions. So the right answer to the question is option D, converting toolpaths to machine instructions. So hopefully you got your answers right. So thank you very much.